Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Daisy and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to customize party favor bags in a fun and easy way. We will be using the new Mini Heat Press 3 from HTVRONT along with the Loklik Machine to add that special touch to your celebrations. Get ready to discover how simple it is to create unique and surprising details for your guests. You can even use these bags as gifts or add them to the product offering of your personalized items business. For this project, I will be using the new Mini Heat Press 3 from HTVRONT. I'm going to unbox it so you can see what's included in the package. This adorable Mini Heat Press is the perfect companion for beginners in the world of personalization, combining charm and functionality. Whether you're working on an intricate project or looking for a professional finish, this mini press consistently delivers exceptional results. You can use it to personalize a variety of small and flat items such as favor bags, baby clothes, and even curved objects like cups, mugs, or tumblers. The package includes everything you need to get started. The HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3, a handy storage bag, a safety base for secure use, and a user manual to guide you through your projects. Compact, efficient, and look how beautiful it is. Below in the description of this video, I'll leave you the link to the HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3 as well as the links to all the materials used in this tutorial. Before I continue, I want to thank you for coming to my channel and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, please do so. It really lets me know that you value the kind of content that I'm giving you, and to be honest, it inspires me and keeps me going. Now, let's work on the design using the Loklik Idea Studio software because we'll be cutting these designs using the Loklik cutting machine. Let's open a new canvas. I'll show you how to insert the image. Go to File, Upload, open the folder where you have the image, select it and open it. This image is in SVG format with a transparent background. I'll enlarge the canvas so you can see it better. The first thing I'll do is to adjust the size according to the item I'm going to customize. For example, I'll select the design, go to the size bar, and change the dimensions to 2.5 inches wide. Now I'll add an initial. Press the T and type the letter that you wish to type. Place it, make it a little bigger, and there it is. Then I'll select it, right-click, copy, right-click, paste to cut several. I'll cut them in different colors and change the initials. I'll select both layers, go to the Combine option and merge them so it cuts as a single layer. Now we have 3 layers. We can cut them in different colors. To avoid confusion, you can also change the colors to match the vinyl that you are cutting. In this case, I'll cut them in 3 different colors, but to cut them all at once, I'll change them all to black. When ready, go to Make It. Let's arrange the design. I'll space it out a bit to place the 3 vinyl squares of different colors. If your machine isn't connected, press Connect Machine. Select either USB or Bluetooth. I'll use Bluetooth and connect. Then select standard cut mode using the 12 by 12 inch mat. Select the layer, go to the type option and choose the material that you'll be cutting. In this case, I'll select heat transfer vinyl. If you are using glitter HTV, select glitter. Make sure to place the vinyl with the color or shine side down and the matte side up. If you're cutting heat transfer vinyl, don't forget to select mirror mode. Then add to task. Place the material on the mat and on the machine. Press start to begin cutting. I use my Loklik cutting machine for this. Below in the description, I'll leave you the list with links to all the products used in this tutorial. Now I'll whip the cut heat transfer vinyl. I'll transfer the designs onto the bags. You can find similar bags on Amazon. I'll link them in the video description below. If you know how to use a sewing machine and would like to make them yourself, I invite you to watch my previous video where I show you how to make them, and I also provide the free pattern. To transfer the heat transfer vinyl designs, I'll be using the new HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3. Let's turn it on by pressing the power button. To set the time and temperature, press the green circle. Using the plus or minus symbol, adjust the desired temperature. And press the green circle again to set the time. Then press the circle again and let the press heat up. Press the power button for 3 seconds to activate the timer. Before pressing, place a piece of butcher paper on top. Once heated, I'll press the heat transfer vinyl design at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. This little press is very practical for small pressings like this. And not for only small pressings, you can also use it for larger designs. It will just take a bit more time as you'll need to cover more area. These mini gift bags turn out beautiful and they are perfect for party favors at weddings, birthdays, etc. They are very elegant and easy to make, especially if you know how to use a sewing machine. Remember, on my channel, I show you how to sew these party favor bags and also provide the free pattern. Below in the video description, I'll leave you the links to the tutorial and the pattern for you to download. You'll also find the list with the links of all the products used in this tutorial. Look how cute they are. and it was so easy using the new HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and tutorial. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and hitting the notification bell. Thank you for visiting, and see you next time.